Do you want to buy a second-hand used car within your budget? Purchasing a brand new car needs lots of financial investment, which is quite hectic for you. Now you can buy used car with less depreciation value. But where to buy the best conditioned pre-owned used cars for sale? Go through the wide inventory of Car Depot. It is a leading second-hand car dealership in Pasadena, CA, famous for offering well-maintained used cars at fair prices. In their inventory, you can find professionally cleaned and sanitized used economic sedans, family-friendly SUVs, trucks, vans, etc. They're professionally trained and experienced staffs who will help you in finding the right car best suited your needs and budget. And the best part is that they provide the best possible low-interest loans to make your car buying dream fulfilled. So, stop thinking so much. Get in touch with them by dialing +1 626 469 0034 and drive home in your new car. For more further details, you can browse through https://cardepotag.com/